Hey guys, it's Margaret from This Lady Rides, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lubricate your steering head bearings. Now I'm going to be showing you on a 2013 Softail Deluxe. The process is going to be pretty similar for most makes and models. You are going to need your owner's manual, and it's going to tell you how often to do it. For the Softail Deluxe 2013, it's every 10,000 miles. You're going to need some bearing grease. We like to use the Harley Davidson. And then you're going to need a grease gun. Alright, now before we get started, I wanted to mention real quick that not all Harley Davidsons or all motorcycles need to have the steering bearings lubricated. Some of them do come with sealed bearings that you cannot lubricate. Alright, I want to point out a couple of spots really quick. The first is this area down here at the bottom, and then this area here at the top. That's where we're going to be watching for the lubricant to be coming out. And then this grease fitting right here, that's where we're going to attach the grease gun. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the nozzle, the tip of the nozzle on our grease gun, and we're just going to push it onto the grease fitting on the bike. Then you're going to take it and just pump it, and we're going to keep pumping until we start to see grease come out of that bottom area. It's going to come out there first. And as you're pumping, you want to make sure that you're just doing nice, slow, smooth strokes. And as you can see right here, the grease has started coming out. So the next spot we're going to be looking at is that top area to see it coming out up there. Now we did reposition the camera, that way you can see it coming out at the top better. Now it's coming out at both the top and the bottom, so you can go ahead and remove your grease gun. Once you remove the grease gun, you're going to go ahead and you're going to clean up this excess off of the bottom, the top, and that grease fitting. I'm going to start with the grease fitting because it has the least amount. Just kind of grab the bulk of it and then you can wipe it. Once you get this side cleaned up, you're going to want to rotate your handlebars and clean the other side because it does come out on both sides. I did want to mention, if this is the first time you've lubricated your steering head bearing, it may take a large amount, as much as 3/4 of that tube. So don't be surprised if it feels like you're pumping for quite a while before you see any of the lubricant coming out. Now that's all there is to lubricating your steering head bearings. The process should be the same for most makes and models. Again, I was showing you on a 2013 Softail Deluxe. You'll want to refer to your owner's manual and service manual on whether or not your steering head bearings even need to be lubricated. As I mentioned before, some are sealed units that don't have to be. Down in the description, you're going to find a link to a full detailed blog post that's going to go step by step through the process, and I'll also include some links to the grease and to the grease gun. If you're interested in other tutorials, blog posts, and tips, be sure to visit thisLadyRides.com.